promise I will not say bad words. Again, like yesterday. Anyway, if you have a piece of paper right now, this is from my graduate class, so I would like you to do this for me as a favor, right? I'm going to ask you 6 questions, all right? For the 6 questions, you can answer as however way you want to answer. If you want to just say yes, go ahead. If you want to say yes and then add the reason why, you can say that too. It's up to you. Okay? First question, all right? Just write down number 1. You don't have to write down the question either. And I will talk really slow. Okay. Number 1, do you think cell phones help you in class? Do you think cell phones help you in class?
What's just
What's the answer? That was easy. Finish the quiz first, then you do the quiz.
Do I have to write it right now?
Do you still have the quiz? I'd better you finish the quiz first. Good answer. Number 2. When you use cell phones in class, do you miss a lot of information from the teacher? One more time. When you use your cell phone in class, do you miss a lot of information from the teacher? What's up?
Teacher, how can I write explanation?
EXPLANATION. Number 3, in vocabulary class, just vocabulary class, not reading and writing, not SSP, do you use your cell phone to translate? Just in vocabulary class, do you use your cell phone to translate? If you do translate on your phone, could you say like how often you use the translator?
The same question.
Yeah, in the same question.
Excuse me, what is the last part?
If you use a translator, how often do you use the translator? Yeah, that's part of number 3. Number 4. Number 4. As you know, most cell phones have applications like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, things like that. Do you feel that you, oh, no, sorry. Yeah. Do you use these applications in class? Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp? Don't worry, I'm not going to show these answers to Valerie or the academic, the center director. It's just for me. Do you use Facebook or WhatsApp when you are in vocabulary class?
It's been boring.
B-O-R, I know your answer, right? I-N-G. It's a good answer. Number 5. Do you think it would be helpful if I banned cell phones in the classroom, or if I collected your cell phone in the beginning of class? Right. Do you think it would be helpful if I took your cell phone? Don't worry about this, but I don't need your answer.
Teacher, please repeat the question.
Number 5, do you think it would be helpful if I took all your cell phones? And then finally, number 6, should the teacher and the students use the cell phone more in class? More or less, actually? Should the teacher and the students use the cell phone more or less in class? Because you know cell phones can be very, very useful, especially for vocabulary. So should we use it more or should we use it less? Right. You're done with that. You can raise your hand.
Excuse me.
Yep.
Can you repeat the first question?
The first question, do you use your cell phone in vocabulary class? Ask us, can you tell me what application you use, the number of phone?
Second, please.
Second question, do you feel like you need to use cell phone in class?
Second one.
Yeah, you must use it, yeah. What was the second question?
What's my answer, Adil?
You said yes, that, I think yes for me, I don't like using the phone. So the question is, do you need to use the cell phone? I think the first question is, do you use the phone? And the second one is, do you need to use the cell phone? This is a little bit different in the question.
You read the book, teacher?
Yes. If you are finished, I would like for you to give me back the book, okay? You can just put it on top of it, or, yeah, there's fine. Oy. that the question was, erase number 2. Number 2, if you use a cell phone in class, do you miss any information? That was the question, I'm sorry.
So if you take the, you see the paper
Yeah.
or it's a seat?
Yep, I'm going to do that actually later today when I finalize all your grades. I have one other grade for you. The paragraphs that you wrote. Main quizzes. Nadia, Christina, Amanda, Moet.
Teacher, when you raise. Le van a dar unas cositas, pero era porque eran en español.
Got an 85 on it.
Teacher, can
I haven't corrected yours yet, unfortunately. There's more people here. And give it back to you, Ron.
Teacher, I think the students, these two are not signed because I showed you to the green.
You're good, yep.
عارف شايفك انا طلعت بالله اخذ المكان اللي فيه بدي راح برمي ترى جيبي
كده زحمة. خليها
كل هذا المكان كان حقه
Not very good. Oh yeah. I have bad at yeah. Well, the one thing that you
يمكن غيرها كل مثلا
I would say to that is like, you know, you
زي شكلها
like
مطفيه
the weather was shit.
شكلها مطفيه
Yeah.
والله
I can. Yeah. We're really busy right now.
يجيب واحد
Hi. What are you doing here? Oh yeah, that's right. Presentation, right? I was like, wait a minute. 316. You're going to my vocab class go upstairs.
360
Yep.
actually مكان